The Realme GT 7 Pro will be Realme's first phone to offer IP69 level dust and water resistance. New teaser video showing unboxing under the water. Realme official confirmation that the GT 7 Pro will debut on November 4th in China. Now shared official renders of the GT 7 Pro's 3 official colors teaser. GT 7 Pro will arrive in Star Trail Titanium, Light White, and a special Mars Exploration Edition. We can see the new camera island design, which houses 3 cameras and HyperImage Plus branding. We've got our hands on the Antutu score of the Realme GT 7 Pro, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite. The chipset scored an astounding 3,025,991. The Snapdragon 8 Elite's Geekbench results also leaked earlier, showing single-core and multi-core performance. And we also learned the phone will come with Realme UI 6.0. This leaked video shows the Realme GT 7 Pro can even handle large AAA games, with impressive graphics and frame rates. The Realme GT 7 Pro will be launching with a solid-state camera control button. The GT 7 Pro is expected to come with a 6.78-inch BOE screen, offering a 1.5K resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and a micro-quad curve design. Also, it will be the company's first phone to feature a single-point ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. The Realme GT 7 Pro, a 50-megapixel Sony IMX906 main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 telephoto shooter, and a 32-megapixel front camera. The Realme GT 7 Pro has a massive 6,000 mAh battery with 120W fast charger. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.